Hello everybody, this is Donna Kleipol from the Netherlands. I've been out of view for a couple of years, 5 years, because I was dedicating myself to making a video series about teachings of Drunvalo Melchizedek that those were almost on the verge of disappearing because nobody knew anymore how to teach it. So I have done it. I made my own animations together with a graphic designer, but at the end I could finish it. I took a few months off just to recover and to see the world again. I'm looking outside because there is a wonderful sunset and I just wanted to film in the last sun rays. Mostly I do it in the early sun rays, but now it's in the afternoon sunset and it's beautiful. So okay, and so I did this work and I thought somebody would come to do it for me, to publish it and to help me to bring it about. And of course, that is only me who can do it. And I have found the willingness to do it. I have inscribed in the Netherlands in a wonderful video business school of Sarayda Groenhart, and I'm very happy about it because we have the guidance or teachings and the support of a whole community who is in this school forever. So yeah, we get friendships, we get co-working, we get so many interesting supports and activities. It's really inspiring. So for the coming 14 days, including today, I'm going to give you every day a video of about 3 to 4 minutes, telling you about all kinds of different aspects of my teachings, of my activities. I see also there is a reflection of one lamp at this side, otherwise I would be half dark and half, well, you have to do it with it today. Tomorrow, for sure, there is another light fall, and okay, I want to do it in this way. So the coming days, you will be seeing me a lot every day on Facebook. I will also publish some short videos on Instagram, and I would appreciate it very much if you help me to like it, to share it, and to really, I can't show the whole world alone what I have done. Look at my website. You have there, for my lustrum, I gave 4 videos of the teachings already free of charge. There are another 3 you can watch. So dive into my website and really discover what is all there. I'm also adding videos to my website about me, about coming to the website and so on. And I like to hear from you what you think about it. So we see each other tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye.